Hi, in this video we look into the pronouncing of the letter G in French words. Basically there are some rules to follow up and they aren't difficult. Now I'm starting with the simplest. The letter G is followed by the vowel E, I or Y. It is pronounced J. Now let's have a look at some examples. Rougir, le régime, gingembre, la théologie, largement, le mariage, le message, nager, une urgence, le courage, davantage, déménager, égyptien, le gypse, le gymnase, la gymnastique. The second rule, if the letter G is followed by the consonant N, it is pronounced ñ. So these two letters, G plus N, they make sound ñ. For example, le compagnon, digne, enseigner, peigner, gagner, régner, le peigne, magnifique, béni, la campagne, le champignon, épargner. The next rule, if the letter G is followed by any other letter except E, I, Y, or N, it is pronounced G. For example, agréable, aigre, le chagrin, le degré, élégant, un engagement, inégal, réglé, le télégramme, vigoureux, une amygdale, un angle. And here is a specific case if the letters G, U, E are at the end of a word, they are pronounced G. For example, la bague, la drague, le catalogue, la figue, la blague, la vague, la vogue, la ligue. And the last rule, if the letters G, U are next to each other in a word, they can be followed by a vowel or by a consonant. If the letters G, U are followed by a vowel, they are pronounced G, and if they are followed by a consonant, then each letter is pronounced separately, so we pronounce them G. So letters G, U can be pronounced G or Gu, depending whether they are followed by a vowel or a consonant. Now let's have a look at some examples. Aiguiser, déguster, déguiser, énergumène, élaguer, une envergure, la guerre, juguler, gaieté, le légume, arguer, régularité, targuer, régulariser, blaguer, transfigurer, la guigne, la gustation, le téléguidage, la virgule. Now we will repeat the rules quickly one more time. If the letter G is before the vowel E, I, or Y, it is pronounced je. For example, rougir. If the letter G is before the vowel A, O, U, or before a consonant except the consonant N, it is pronounced G. Inégal. And if J and N occur together, they are pronounced Ñ. Campagne. If we have the letters GU next to each other in a word, they can be followed by a vowel and then they're pronounced G, for example, argue, or they can be followed by a consonant and then they're pronounced Gu, for example, virgule, and if G, U, E are at the end of a word, they are pronounced G, for example, plug. So that will be all for now. I hope you found this lesson useful and you have learned something. So till the next lesson, just keep on practicing. I hope see you soon. Have a nice day. Goodbye. À bientôt.